Valued partners to the residential real estate team, a title insurance company and a mortgage lender understand that teams will look to them for solutions. True partners are committed to identifying and vetting top tech platforms in the marketplace so they can offer them to their partners. Mike, some examples.
Sure. Some of the tech platforms we offer to our real estate partners are HomeBot, List Reports, Flowify, Total Experts, things like that we know can help them grow their business.
Right?
No, that was good. It's, I mean, with the many years in title, people are always thinking about, the postcards, the flyers, but the many years I've been in this, the tech platforms itself, I mean, we specialized, for the last 10 years, that's all I've been doing, like with Mike, with Chime, is just diving in on all the platforms. The biggest ones that we utilize a lot are for data. Right now we're low on inventory. Mm-hmm. So we need inventory. So providing data from certain tech platforms is huge right now.